Hello guys, we are in Budapest and we are invited here by Fraser Residence. It's a luxury 4-star apart hotel, and before we start anything I want to show you our perfect little room because it's still clean and we're going to definitely mess it up soon. So right at the entrance there are two options. I'm going to go with the first one right here and take you to our bedroom. So this is the first room. It has an exit for the balcony and beautiful view, and sun just came out, which makes it even more perfect. Which leads us to the second bedroom, and which has also a private bathroom. And this is the second bed. It has a TV, has a closet. It's perfect if you're staying for a couple of days. And from the entrance we also have a bigger bathroom which has a tub and a shower. And here you have a machine if you need something washed, and everything we wash we can hang here. And that gets us to our living room, work desk, kitchen desk, and a kitchen. Last but not least is our beautiful balcony. The sun. Not sure how much camera is gonna get that. We have beautiful view of the Budapest top. We expected it to be cold, but it's pretty warm. We are here in March and so far so good. Now we're going to explore the city. So there is a tram station very close by and we're gonna hump on it and go to tram number 2, which is a panoramic train. So we're at the Liberty Bridge. It is a very close place and it's a crossing of several different interesting things. So right behind us is the Central Market. Behind me we have Galleries Hill. So it's an amazing statue over there. Below you have Cave Church, which is a cool thing to see. It's a church in a cave. Why wouldn't it be cool? Over here we have again Great Danube River, the river that I like the most. And I don't know if you can see it because it's a bit foggy. Right in the back is Buda Castle, it's Fisherman's Bastion, and that's something that we're gonna see next. So stay tuned. It is a 3-exit bridge. It has 2 regular and there is a 3rd exit right here that actually leads to Margaret's Island. It has a little zoo, a big water tower. It also has an electric bike you can rent. It's something inside of the city and completely natural and natural friendly. Are at Matthias Temple Church, whatever it's called, and next we are going to Buda Castle Hill. But in this area you have a lot of cool things to do. The labyrinths, which are underground, which are very cool. The hospital in Iraq, so you go in Iraq and there is a hospital there. I think it was used during World War II, but I'm not completely sure. We are right here and we're going straight down to the Buda Castle Hill. So let's go. This way is a National Museum, and across the Chain Bridge there is a St. Stephen's Basilica, and that's where we're going next. close to Octagon. Actually, right behind it, 2 blocks, is the House of Terror that you must go see. But now we are going to eat. So we've been looking around, and most of the places just work lunch and dinner. And we're going to this place because we know it's open. Come with us.
Garlic soup. You have to try it if you're coming to Menza. It's amazing.
We are at my favorite place in whole Budapest, and that's Hero Square. Woo! It's literally Hero Square, and to me it looks heroic. Let's see who the heroes are. So very close to Hero Square you have Aradi Castle. Some people call it Dracula Castle because it looks spooky by night. I love it. After a long day of walking, we are going to Szczesny Thermal Baths. Not sure how much we're gonna film inside. We are taking a GoPro with us, so if we do have any footage, you'll be the first one to see it. Let's go. Finished with our bath and it was amazing. A lot of people though, maybe because it's Sunday. Definitely need to try that. We're going home, we're gonna take some food and go to sleep.